I've come up with a completely new paper airplane model. Look how amazingly it flies. This is the most interesting model I have ever created. Next, you will see instruction on how to make it, but at the end of the video, you will see another very unusual plane that has been flying for a long time.
Origami University.
Repeat all the steps after me and you will succeed. Fold the sheet in half. Unfold the sheet. Fold the edges to the center. Fold the sheet in half. Fold the edges to the center. Turn the sheet over. Next we make the wings. Fold the paper the same way I did. My new airplane model is ready, but at the end of the video, you will see another very unusual plane that has been flying for a long time. If you want to see sequel, please subscribe to the channel.